Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my morning video for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So if you've been following along with my videos, yesterday I was saying that it looks like we got to break a structure. It looks like we're going to make a move to the upside. It looked like a running ABC correction, wave A, very corrective wave B, and then impulsive wave C. Very nice little entry right there if you've been following along with my videos. Now I got my Fibonacci retracement on here just for areas of support and resistance. We had a pretty good bounce right here, but it didn't really happen at a fib level, which makes me think that it is almost definitely going to go back up. And because of the higher time frames, I think it is going to keep on going up. And because of the JPY basket, I think it's going to keep going up. So I am pretty bullish on this, at least for now. I mean, we're going to have to keep an eye on it on the daily to see if it really does break structure or not. But I do kind of suspect that this is going to probably over the next week or so work its way up, probably giving us a break of structure, probably proving that this really is a wave B, and probably continuing back up for a wave C. And then that would be like an expanding A, B, C correction on the daily time frame. So I would definitely still focus on longs unless we get like a double top at a fib level and a nice impulsive move down. I would definitely continue to focus on longs on these sort of time frames. I believe the JPY basket turned down, which is why I think all the JPY pairs turned up. So don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.